continuity in our parliamentary framework, Senate has played the role of a linchpin in forging national unity and cohesion, providing a dependable platform to manage conflict and dispute resolutions between the provinces with complete institutional legitimacy. Mr. Chairman, I would conclude on these words that Pakistan's progress, stability and prosperity hinges on the continuity of the democratic system with stringent and transparent fiscal discipline and, more importantly, continuous, collaborative and sustained efforts. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Pakistan Zindabad.
जी सर।